So MetaTrader is this app for those who don't know it. Naibhaliwe MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. So la ngizoku-explaina i-MetaTrader 5 because yiyo engispanisa kakhulu. So la kune-Xness. Xness i-broker engiyisebenzisayo. So uma ngabe ufuna ukuvula i-live account ngizonisendela i-link file then uvule i-live account yakho. Then uma ngi-analyze-a uma ngifuna ukupleyisa ama-trade ngisebenzisa lento i-Trading View. So you can also download i-Trading View. Then i-investing le bhale investing yiyo engisiza khona izinto abathi ama-news and stuff. So the news ilezi okay, I'll talk about news next time. So let's talk about the MetaTrader. So ngena ku-MetaTrader 5. So slow land. So MetaTrader 5 nayi so niyawabona ke ama-candlesticks yiwo lawa. So in my case lawa a-black yiwo ama-bearish candlesticks. So ama-candlesticks ungawa-change amakhala wakhona anytime mawufuna ukuwa-change. So khona lezi zinto lezi so i-broker engisipanisayo it's not le kuphela khona amanye ne-Xness nani. So u-trade, news, mailbox, journal, settings lezi zinto okay sozozazi makuhamba isikhathi lezi zinto. So lana sinama-codes. So ama-codes not really, not now. So ama-codes ama-currency pairs lawa owa-trader njengoba bengikhuluma nge-USD ZAR. So ama-codes into ezifana nabo-USD ZAR thi ngi-search USD ZAR. So currently okay it's 18 rand akuse 19 rand. So i-USD ZAR kusho ukuthi i-$1 i-costa malini 18 rand. So kulena le phezulu i-1 GBP i-costa 181.630 Japanese yen. Then lo L lona ophansi kwaleyo nto leyo umeaning usho ukuthi low. Kusho ukuthi i-low of i-candlesticks. The last candlestick leli. The last candlestick this one. The last candlestick this one. A low of this candlestick nambona lo 630 now la on the left hand side now la angazi niyayibona leli leyo 630 lo uye lo la ne okay seyichinjile angazi kuyenzakalani manje. Let me see what the fuck. Okay oh nice asekhona. So u-low meanisha ukuthi i-low of i-week, the week. Nakhumbula ngikhulume nge-week i-low leya la. Then u-high ile high leya la. Lo H lo la. That H 182.287. So ama-codes wakho lawa. Ama-codes singasho ukuthi ama-assets wethu lawa esiwa-trader. Mina currently I only trade i-GBP JPY nale WS30. So i-WS30 bayibiza nge-US30. Izinto engizi-trader. So then sino-charts. So ama-charts wakho lawa. I-charts lakho yila ufuna ukuzithola khona almost every time. Bese kube no-trade. U-trade mangabe udeposit imali ibalance izovela la equity and i-free margin and stuff. So ibalance yakho ile balance onayo equity ibalance yakho plus ama-profits or ama-losses wakho. Then i-free margin imali le onayo to trade with. Then mawuplace ama-trades uzopressa that thing eno plus at the top right mawufuna ukuplace ama-trades. Then my price izokuletha la. So lana ku-market execution. So u-market execution umeanisha ukuthi mangabe ufuna ukuthenga manje like I'm trying to buy lephele i-GBP JPY manje I'll just execute now market execution. Then kube namanye ama-limits. So khona i-buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, ne-buy stop limit, ne-sell stop limit. But into esizosebenzisa lana i-market execution, i-buy limit, i-sell limit, i-buy stop ne-sell stop. So i-buy limit isho ukuthini? Isho ukuthi ngibuyele emuva. Isho ukuthi as i-market iyehla, as i-market idropa, so mina ngizopredict ukuthi mayifika la izoyenzani, izobhaya, then ngizoseta ini i-buy limit and i-sell limit as i-market ibhaya, so mina ngizopredict ukuthi mayifika maybe mayifika laphaya izoyenzani, izosell, i-sell limit leyo. Then i-buy stop i-buy stop njengoba i-price ila currently la ikhona, njengoba ikhuphuka, so mina ngizoseta i-buy stop maybe la then i-market izofika, ngizoseta i-buy stop yami laphayana, then i-market izofika yenzeni, ifike ingithephe in, hayibo, why hade gents, angazi kuhambani manje, phone yami seya-act. So i-buy stop isho ukuthi ngizoseta i-buy stop la kule line e-red, then i-market izofika yenzeni, ingithephe in, then iyachubeka nami iyabhaya, then i-sell stop is the opposite yalento le ngiceda ukuyisho manje. Then lezi ezinye eziyi-2 eziphansi I think isivese lezi eziyi-2, i-buy stop limit ne-sell stop limit ngeke sizisebenzise. Then lana phansi ka-market execution sinama numbers, so lo 1 lo uminisha ukuthi i-lot, like it's the volume or i-size le ozobhaya ngayo lento ofuna ukuyibhaya, or i-size ozosela ngayo lento ofuna ukuyisela. So if ngizosela ngo 0.90, so kusho ukuthi i-volume engizongena ngayo ku-market it's 0.90, then ngizoyi-timesa nani nama-points leyo volume leyo, ne? Then phansi kwaleyo nto sibe no-SL. Lo SL lona uminisha ukuthi stop loss. So stop loss is the point where you wanna protect yourself from losing imali. Then u-TP uminisha ukuthi take profit, so it's the point where you wanna exit if i-trade yakho i-grand. Then lokho kunye okuphansi ke akusekho important. Then u-sell by market, mawuceda ukufaka yonke into yakho, u-stop loss wakho uzomfaka ngama-numbers, so ama-numbers wakho ilabo 181.630, bese abo take profit abo 181. Let's say 900, then uyabhaya or uyasela. So sekuzophuma ukuthi u-analyze kanjani. Then mawuceda ukuplace i-trade yakho, so lawa ma-trades engiwathathile, I think ngiyabona ama-losses izolo, I took losses izolo na day before. I took some 96 rand loss, 96 rand loss. So that's that. So mawuceda ukuplace ama-trades wakho azovela khona la, niyabona, right? So this is good. So ngideposite i-90 rand, not i-96 rand. The 6 rand lena is the balance that I was given by the broker. So ngile ngabhaya, then i-market ya-retracer, then ngaprofita this 1 rand, is it 2 rand or 1 rand? Then ngabuya ngabhaya futhi ngaprofita leya 9 rand, then ngabhaya ngaluzi 8 rand. So lama numbers lawa avele ngapha, lawa a-blue ameshisha ukuthi ama-profits, lawa a-red ama-losses, then i-date iyasho ukuthi ubhaye nini and stuff. Then yeah, explain ezinye izinto la. Then labo balance laba abaphezulu, i-balance 45 rand, ngiqale ngadeposit i-45 rand, then banginikeza i-credit ye-45 rand, then ngadeposita i-45 rand, banginika enye i-credit ye-45 rand. Then ngaphinde ngasela ngaprofitha ngaprofitha i-19 rand point 23. Then ngasela futhi ngaprofitha lawo ma-cent lawa, ngasela futhi ngaprofitha i-28 rand. Then ngasela ngaluza, then I blew the account, which was not a mistake, it's just that, yeah, the account. Okay, I don't want to explain that. So lapha phezulu khona into engathi calendar, so uzobheka ukuthi ngifuna ukubheka i-history ya last month or i-history ya today or whatever. Then lama arrows lawa ningamind, then ningamind. Then yeah, I think ngi-explain everything about, okay, not everything. So khona lento round levelayo, so lo M1 lo minisho njengoba bengikhuluma ngama-candlesticks, ngiyakhumbula ukuthi khona i-candlestick representa 1 minute, khona i-candlestick representa 5 minutes and stuff. So currently manibheka lapha phezulu, ngibonise, manibheka la bhale bani H4 ne, kusho ukuthi ngiku time frame yani ye 4 hours. So every candlestick olibonayo la, noma angalingani ngama size, wonke ama candlestick owabonayo la lithathe 4 hours ukuthi li reach i-completion, noma lilincane kanjani, as long ku H4 lithathe 4 hours lelo candlestick ukuthi li reach i-completion. Then mangichintsha i-time frame ngiya ku 1 minute, kusho ukuthi every candlestick engilibonayo lana li 1 minute. What a week. Then or ngingatshintsha nalapha phezulu ngoba ngiyabona le ring ayisafuni ukuvela, sengu 15 minutes chart kanjalo. So it's M1 1 minute, M5 5 minutes, M15 15 minutes, M30 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly and monthly. Then lento eniyibonayo le engathi angazi yini, it's where you add ama-indicator, so angeke sikhulume ngawo ama-indicator. Then lento elandela leyo lento engathi isiphambano ile yokucalculate ama-points, then kuba ama-settings, then kube yilezi zinto zokudrawa. So uma ufuna ukudrawa something, uma u-analyze and stuff, you'll press lento le ne-triangle ne-zero ne-circle ne-rectangle. Then le enye yoku-add ama-window, or if ngifuna uku-add elinye chart. Then lapha phezulu khona lento engathi e-circle engathi isikhathi le, mangiyipressa ngiyabona iveza yini i-sell limit, ngiyakhumbula i-sell limit ukuthi yini. So sozosho ukuthi sozoyenza like this is a new MetaTrader, so it's easier now, ayisafani nakudala. So ngizobeka la i-sell limit yami ukuthi i-market mayifika lapha futhi izoyenzani, izosela, as in like, yeah, kanjalo. Then kube nale if ngifuna ukusela or ukubhaya instantly, then ngizopressa le enye. Yeah, I think I explained everything about MetaTrader. So yeah.